One wrong decision, and within just a few minutes, the world's largest ship disappeared beneath the ocean. But the real question is, was the Titanic sunk only because of an iceberg? Or did something happen that night that still remains one of history's greatest mysteries? Let's uncover the true story of Titanic's final night. On April 10, 1912, the world's most luxurious ship, Titanic, began its maiden voyage from England to New York, carrying thousands of passengers filled with hope and excitement. Among them were Rose, a wealthy young woman, and Jack, a poor artist. By a twist of fate, they met, and before long they fell deeply in love. But neither of them knew that their love story was already destined to end in the freezing waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. Late on the night of April 14th, the lookouts suddenly spotted a massive iceberg directly ahead.